Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to delete your Reddit account really fast and easy. So you just go to the top right corner of your screen, then you click on user settings and you come into the user settings and you will stick under the account. You go all the way down and here you see delete account. So here you do your username, so it's no release 6231 here, and you fill in your password, and then you click on I understand that deleted accounts aren't recoverable, as you see here, and you click on it, click on delete, and you get a warning. Be absolutely sure before deleting your account. So I want to delete it, so you click on delete, and well, now it's deleted. So it will lock you out and bring you back to the home screen and your account's gone.